What's up, guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to share Netflix Fast Laugh clips to your Instagram stories. Now, when you launch Netflix on your phone, you should see a new feature called Fast Laughs. These are basically Netflix stories where you can see short clips in portrait mode picked out from your favorite titles on Netflix. And these are usually the funny clips from the Netflix titles, and that's why they're called Fast Laughs. So, to share Netflix Fast Laughs onto your Instagram stories, all you need to do is launch the Netflix application and then go to Fast Laughs by tapping on the Fast Laughs icon in the middle there. And here you can scroll and find the fast laugh you want to share. Once you find it, tap on the share button on the right hand side and then choose Instagram stories. Now give it a second or two. If it's your first time, then you'll need to grant Netflix permission to open Instagram. And once you do that, you should find yourself inside your Instagram account, Instagram stories, with that Netflix fast laugh clip in there. So from here, you can go ahead and add filters, stickers, or even text. We are now inside the Instagram stories editor. So now on your Instagram stories
Well, I
will
would love to
be
sell you
the
some
fast
weed,
laughs clips from
Jimmy, but
Netflix.
I'm at my
And
fucking
viewers
job
can
right now.
tap on watch on Netflix and it's gonna open in Netflix and it's gonna open for them that particular fast laughs clips on Netflix. And that's basically how to share your fast laughs on Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.